Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first, to do that, we should press up or down volume button on the right side of our phone. Then we'll see here this bell icon. Click here once and switch this bell to crossed bell, and now we can see that calls and notifications they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn off silent mode just by the same way, click here on the cross bell and switch it to the regular one, and now our calls notifications they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.